This mount is sheared off from this hydraulic. Looks like it's been welded once before pretty badly. So I'll get it all cleaned up and weld it back on there. There's so much ugly weirdness going on in here. I'm probably going to burn this in with some 6010 first. Then I might knock the slag and the high points off of that and then burn it over with 7018. I can't get the grinder in there greatly everywhere, so yeah. There we go, got it all stuck back on there. So I'll get this bolt out of this pin and then hopefully I can get these two lined back up, but I bet I'm gonna have to crack these hydraulic lines. It always seems like it's something or another with this old girl, but that's all right. She's a workhorse. I don't mind putting a little work back into it for the amount of work that it gives me. Sometimes you got to take care of your tools, I guess. Oh. Yucky! I got the oil in my eyeball. Well, that was not good. I don't know if you've seen that, but there are a lot of fluid come squirting out of that one. What would be a day without a bath in hydraulic oil? I have one paper towel, so hopefully I can get it cleaned up enough with that. Some days I'm just a dum-dum. I don't know. Well, that takes care of the old girl for now. Until next time it breaks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.